Do you have a small area in your backyard that you can convert into a beautiful patio? There are several things you can do to make your patio more functional and attractive. One possible structure for your modern backyard idea is to make a small greenhouse. Greenhouses are amazing ways to take your growing ability to the next level. The unique design of new greenhouses allows your backyard to be transformed into your own personal forest. From herbs and flowers to vegetables and shrubs, modern greenhouses give yet another opportunity for a usable feature in your backyard. Create your own version of a modern backyard by putting some of yourself into the style and design. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. No matter how you utilize your backyard space, a little time outdoors will do you good. Your backyard can serve many purposes, such as a gardening hub, a space for entertaining family and friends, or even just the perfect place to relax on a beautiful day. While all backyards need shrubs and trees, consider adding potted plants to your get kids outside by making the backyard fun for them, too. Add an outdoor DIY chalkboard where kids can express their creativity. Games and toys like hopscotch or jump rope are perfect for warm nights outside. You can even encourage them to eat healthy by growing a vegetable and fruit garden. Yards can be purposeful, too. Growing your own fruits and veggies ensures the best quality, convenience, and taste. Grow plants in raised bed gardens or containers, if you're short on space. Some plants offer year-round foliage, tasty fruit and space saving, and some plants are good for your garden. Choose dwarf varieties for growing in containers. Instead of throwing away old household items, give them new life in the garden. Almost anything can be turned into a container garden, from toolboxes to wheelbarrows. Fill empty wine or beer bottles with LED lights for unique lanterns. Refurbished items are a definite money saver for backyard landscaping. DIY lanterns make for a great crafting project and add a unique touch of light to your backyard. Enchanting string lights turn your backyard into an outdoor oasis. Hang them between posts, dangle from walls or ceilings, or even wrap them around planters or trees. Durable yet comfy outdoor couches and chairs make your backyard the perfect space for entertaining. Hang a hammock between two shady spots for a place to catch up on some reading. Use gravel, stepping stones, or wooden pallets to create a walkway through your garden. Line the path with low-growing shrubs or ground covers like verbena, hostas, or sedges. Adding some type of water features is a favorite backyard landscape idea. Adding water fountains to your backyard will create a Zen garden effect. Tiered fountains look great in any backyard and add the soothing sound of running water. Create a small pond to create visual contrast with your plants. Bird baths can also serve as a focal point and provide shelter for our friends in the sky. Overall, create a space that does what you want. Do you want a space to entertain others? Create it. Do you want a space to relax and recharge? Create it. Creating a modern backyard will benefit you today, as well as your property, forever. Increase your pleasure and increase the value of your home with a modern backyard today. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.